Are you feeling confused about move constructors in C++? You're not alone. Many developers struggle with this concept, and today we're going to clarify it for you. I totally get it. Move constructors can be tricky, especially when you're trying to understand how they work alongside copy constructors. It's a common hurdle for many programmers. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why isn't my move constructor being called when I expect it to be?" They provided a code snippet that includes a default constructor, copy constructor, move constructor, and some function overloads. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So what's happening here? The user expected the move constructor to be called when creating an object with an R value, but instead they saw the default constructor and copy constructor in action. This can be confusing, but it all comes down to how C++ interprets the code. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of move constructors and how to use them effectively. To understand the output from the user's code, let's first clarify what happens on line 3. The user has written CS3C. This line is actually creating a function declaration instead of calling the move constructor. To fix this, the user should change line 3 to CS3 This explicitly tells the compiler to treat the temporary object as an R value, allowing the move constructor to be called. Now let's discuss why move is necessary. Even though C is an R value, the syntax used in line 3 does not convey that to the compiler. Instead, move casts the object to an R value reference, enabling the move constructor. Finally, let's summarize the key points. The user should remember that certain syntaxes can lead to confusion in C++. Always ensure that the intended constructor is being called by using move when necessary. Fun fact, did you know that C++ was originally designed to make programming easier? Yet here we are, tangled in the complexities of move semantics. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user clarifies that the line CS3C of C is actually a function declaration, not an object construction. It defines a function named S3 that takes no parameters and returns an object of type C. That's why you don't see any output for that line. To avoid this confusion, the user suggests using list initialization instead. For example, writing CS3C aligns better with the intention of constructing an object. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to use move when you want to transfer ownership of an object. This small addition can save you from a lot of confusion. And there you have it. Understanding move constructors can be challenging, but with these tips, you'll be able to navigate them with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more programming insights.